Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HiPad Max and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. Let's start with opening the camera app and let me try to... okay, it does not want to change the position of the orientation of the text, but that's okay. Basically, all we have to do is to first of all check whether we are in the photo mode, because the settings which we'll enter are divided between the photo and the video mode, and they do not appear at the same section. So let's make sure that you've got the photo mode, and then we can enter the settings, which are in my case right now in the left upper corner. If you will have it in the other orientation, you will have it in the right upper corner. So let me tap on it, and as you can see in the still camera option, we've got the countdown timer. So let's tap on it, and we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 5 seconds delay. It depends, or 10 seconds, it depends on you which option you want to use. Simply tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. So now we can go back to the camera and check. Unfortunately, in this device we do not have any kind of icon or information here in the camera that we've got the timer, so we can be quite surprised if we will forget that we just set the timer, but that's okay. Let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 or 5 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that it will simply take a photo. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just tap on the settings again, tap on the countdown timer, and tap on off. As you can see, it is notified here, so we can go back, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.